Hello everyone, in today's video let me share to you my tips on how to make a creative sermon notes. I have thought of sharing this because I know that most of us forget the sermon right after we heard them and leave the church. But what if we create something after the service that will make us recall what we have learned? What if, beginning today, we take note of our learning in such a fun way and have them shared with others? If you say yes to this, here are my tips. Always bring a notebook and pen with you in the church. Of course, do not forget your Bible. Number 2. Listen intently with the sermon. Take note of those messages that's meaningful to you. Number 3. It's okay not to create a beautiful notes right away unless you master a real-time sketch note-taking. It's better to go home with your notes. Number 4. Now transfer them into your journal, but this time include borders, icons, arrows, and your favorite hand lettering fonts. You can add color of your choice if you want. I found it okay to just use 1 to 3 colors in perfect combination using pencil color. At last, you can share them in social media. In the process of creating, it's best not to bother yourself with the perfect art. Just let your creative juices flowing. After all, the message that you have written there is far more important than how you will present your sermon journal.